Have you ever wondered if there are hidden secrets within the Bible's pages, secrets that almost no one knows about? What if I told you that there's one lesson in the Bible, misunderstood for centuries, but it holds the key to unlocking unlimited abundance in your life, especially in your finances? I know it might sound hard to believe, but this lesson is so powerful that if you truly understand it, it could transform the way you see abundance, money, and prosperity forever. And no, this isn't some secret religious doctrine or something exclusive to believers. This is a universal truth that anyone can apply. So stay with me until the end, because we're about to uncover something that could shift everything for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Power of Thought. I'm so glad you're here. Today's topic is going to blow your mind, especially if you've ever felt stuck in your financial situation or have been searching for a way to live a more prosperous life. But first, let me say this. It doesn't matter if you're an atheist, agnostic, or a part of any religion. Whether you're Christian, Jewish, Muslim, Buddhist, or follow any other spiritual path, this video is for you. The reason is simple. The principles I'm about to share are universal. You can find them in the sacred texts of ancient people across various cultures and times. Religions may have organized and institutionalized these teachings, but the truths inside these books go far beyond any one religion. You don't need to be religious to apply them, and if you are, you certainly don't need to abandon your faith. What really matters is how you use this knowledge to change your life. The Bible, for instance, is often seen purely as a religious text, but it's so much more than that. It's full of wisdom that can help anyone live a better life, no matter your beliefs. Today, I want to show you how some of these ancient teachings can unlock abundance in your life. So let's talk about the Bible for a moment. Did you know that the Bible is full of stories of people who faced incredible challenges and went on to achieve massive success? These stories aren't just historical records. They're examples, blueprints, if you will, of how to live a life of abundance and prosperity. But here's the problem. Many people tune out the moment they hear someone mention the Bible. I get it. Religion can be a touchy subject. Some people have had bad experiences with organized religion, or they associate it with negativity. But here's the thing. Don't confuse the message with the messenger. If you don't like the person delivering the message, that's fine. But don't ignore the message itself. It's way too important. And trust me, what we're about to discuss isn't just for the religious. It's for anyone looking to transform their life. Now, let's dive into one of the most misunderstood messages in the Bible. Most people don't realize this, but Jesus talked more about money and abundance than he did about salvation. It's true. Yet so many people, even today, believe that in order to be good or holy, you should be poor, or that you shouldn't desire material success. That's simply not the case. The Bible teaches abundance. It's all about how you approach it. One of the key teachings I want to share with you today comes from the book of Matthew. It's a passage that's often quoted but not fully understood. Do not worry about your life, what you will eat, drink, or wear. At first glance, it might seem like Jesus is telling us not to care about the necessities of life. But what he's really saying is this: don't let worry control you. Think about it. When you're constantly worried about money, your focus is on lack. And here's something important. Whatever you focus on expands. If your energy is tied up in worrying about not having enough, you'll attract more lack into your life. This is the power of vibration. Your thoughts, your feelings, they all emit a certain energy, a certain vibration. And the universe or God, or whatever higher power you believe in, responds to that energy. This is why Jesus tells us not to worry. When you trust that the universe will provide for you, when you focus on abundance rather than scarcity, that's exactly what you'll attract. Think about the birds in the sky. They don't plant, harvest, or store food, yet they're provided for. Jesus is using this example to show us that life doesn't have to be a constant struggle if we trust and align with the right energy. Now, does this mean you shouldn't take action? Of course not. You still need to work toward your goals, but you need to do it from a place of faith, not fear. Jesus said, "Seek first the kingdom of God, and all these things will be added to you." The kingdom of God is within you, your inner self. When you work on developing your inner self, your outer world will naturally begin to shift. Let's take this even deeper. Jesus also said, "Don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will take care of itself." This is another example of a principle we now know as the law of attraction. You see, when you're constantly worrying about the future, you're creating more anxiety and fear. You're projecting those emotions into the world, and as a result, you're attracting more reasons to feel anxious and fearful. But here's the key: the present moment is all we really have. That's why Jesus emphasized the importance of focusing on today. Remember, God's name is I am, not I was or I will be. This means that the power to create the life you want exists only in the present moment. When you live in the now, you're aligned with the true essence of abundance. You're not worrying about past failures or future what-ifs. Instead, you're focused on taking action right now, in this moment, from a place of peace and trust. This is where the law of attraction comes into play. The energy you put out is the energy you receive. If you're vibrating with abundance, that's what you'll attract. If you're vibrating with fear and lack, that's what you'll attract. It's really that simple. You've probably heard this before. Whatever you think about, you bring about. And that's exactly what Jesus was teaching in his own way. He wasn't just giving spiritual advice. He was laying down universal principles that can apply to every area of life, including your finances. Now that you understand the importance of focusing on abundance rather than lack, it's time to take action. Stop worrying about the little things. Stop worrying about your bills, your next paycheck, or what people think of you. Focus on expanding your inner self. Focus on raising your vibration and aligning with abundance. Jesus said, "Seek first the kingdom of God, and all these things will be added to you." Start with yourself, your inner mindset, your thoughts, your beliefs. Once you start aligning your inner self with the vibration of abundance, everything else will follow. You'll notice opportunities come into your life. You'll see that money flows more easily. Success will start to find you, not the other way around. If this message has resonated with you, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Comment below and let me know what steps you're going to take today to align with abundance. I want to hear from you. Remember, this isn't just about learning, it's about doing. You have the power to change your life, and it starts right now. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this message inspires you to start living a life full of abundance and joy. Keep tuning in for more powerful insights from ancient teachings and universal truths. Remember, the power of thought can transform your world, and the real key to unlocking abundance is within you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.